This slide is from one of Springboard Collaborative's Reading Readiness and Phonics lessons. This icon on the slide means that students should use Elkonin boxes to practice blending the sounds of the phonemes to read words. Here's how to use double-decker Elkonin boxes during a Reading Readiness and Phonics lesson. This grid is a double-decker Elkonin box from a student resource book. The Elkonin boxes are a visual aid to support decoding phonemes so students can blend those phonemes to read words. To use Elkonin boxes to practice blending sounds and reading words, a student places tokens representing each sound in the bottom row of the grid. How many sounds does the word cat have? K, a, t has 3 sounds, so I'll put 3 tokens in the bottom row. Then as students blend the sounds, they push the tile representing that phoneme into the top row. K, a, t, cat. You could also use alphabet tiles to represent the phonemes. Students can use their finger to help push the sounds up as they decode words. For words that have more letters than sounds, such as words with digraphs or silent E, remind students that sounds do not always have a one-to-one correspondence with letters. Place tokens on the bottom row based on the number of sounds in the word. How many sounds are in the word thirst? Th, s, t has 4 sounds, so I'll put 4 tokens in the bottom row. Sometimes using alphabet tiles can be confusing when the phonemes do not have a one-to-one correspondence, so for these types of words, tokens or counters work best. Then as students blend the sounds, they push the tile representing that phoneme into the top row. Th, s, t, thirst. You can find Elkonin boxes in each level student resource book and teacher resource book.